So previously we have learned what sound is. That is, sound is basically a vibration. Next, how does sound travel from one point to the other? It is carried by the molecules of the medium. So there are basically three mediums: solid, liquid and gas. So sound travels in solids, liquids and gases. And does sound travel in vacuum? No. Why? Because there are no molecules in vacuum. So I hope these concepts are clear. Now in this video, we're going to talk about the speed of sound. So speed of sound is different in solids, liquids and gases. So let's understand this with the help of a figure. So see guys, this over here is the molecular arrangement of solids, liquids and gases. So remember guys, all substances are made up of extremely small particles known as molecules. Now see guys, in solids, the molecules are very close to each other. As you can see, they are tightly packed. So there is hardly any space between two molecules in a solid. Next, in a liquid, as you can see, the molecules are slightly far apart. There is some space between the molecules. And in the case of gas, the molecules are very far apart from each other. Is it clear? I repeat guys, these blue spheres that you see are molecules. So in a solid, the molecules are very closely packed. In liquids, slightly far apart. In gases, very far apart. Now my question to you is, in which medium do you think speed of sound will be fastest? Remember guys, sound is carried by molecules. And what is sound? A vibration. So let's say I vibrate this molecule over here. Now because this molecule and this molecule are connected to each other, this vibration will immediately go here. This will vibrate, it will vibrate the next one. So immediately the vibration will go from here to here. Similarly here, if I vibrate this molecule, it has to move a certain distance, then vibrate this, then move a certain distance, vibrate this. So speed is decreasing. In this case, if you vibrate this molecule, it first has to reach here, then vibrate this, then reach here, vibrate this. That means closer the molecule, faster the vibration will travel. Therefore, sound travels fastest in solids, then in liquids, then in gases. I repeat guys, sound is basically a vibration which is carried from one point to the other by the molecules. So closer the molecules, faster the vibration travels, right? So where are the molecules closest? They are closest in solids. So because they are closest in solids, hence sound travels the fastest in solids, then slower in liquids and then in gases. Is it clear? I repeat once again, for sound to travel, basically molecules have to transfer the vibrations. So closer the molecules are, the quicker they'll transfer the vibrations. So they are closest in solids. So they'll immediately transfer the vibrations here. Here will take some time, gas will take time. This molecule has to strike this to transfer the vibration. Then this will come here and transfer. Is it clear? So because here solids, the molecules are very close, sound travels fastest in solids, then liquids, then gases. So I hope the concept is clear why it is happening. Let's read about it. Sound takes some time to travel from the sound producing body to our ears. The speed of sound depends upon the nature of medium in which it travels. Nature of medium means whether it is a solid, liquid or gas. The speed of sound is different in different materials. In general, sound travels slowest in gases, faster in liquids and fastest in solids. Is it clear? The speeds of sound in air, water and iron are given below. So air, which is a gas, speed of sound is only 340 meters per second. In water, which is a liquid, it is almost 5 times 1500 meters per second. And as you can see in iron or steel, which is a solid, it is 5000 meters per second. That means the speed of sound in solid is almost 16 times that in air. Is it clear? So whatever the speed of sound in gas, 5 times liquid, 15 times solids. Is it clear? So remember guys, sound travels fastest in solid, then in liquids and then in gases. And what is the logic behind this? See, sound will travel fastest wherever molecules are very close to each other. So in solids, the molecules are very close to each other, hence it is fastest. In gases, the molecules are far apart, hence it has the least speed. So this over here is the concept of speed of sound.